Juve began their first season in Serie A since relegation by signing Zdeno Grigera, Thiago Mendes, and Sergio Almiron, while big names departed after years of contribution like Igor Tudor and Alessio Tacchinardi, who left after a series of unknown disagreements with the board. But despite these departures, Juventus returned to Serie A with surprising stability, securing a remarkable third-place finish, an exceptional feat considering the huge core of the squad was lost due to Calciopoli. Much of that success was driven by the incredible form of the legendary strike partnership. Captain Alessandro Del Piero rolled back the years to finish as Serie A's top scorer with 21 goals. Alongside him, David Trezeguet remained as lethal as ever, adding 20 league goals with his trademark instinct inside the penalty area. Together, the two icons combined for over 40 league goals, spearheading Juve's resurgence and powering the Bianconeri back into the UEFA Champions League. Juve's Coppa Italia run ended in the quarterfinals, where they were narrowly knocked out by Inter Milan after a tight two-legged tie. Juve entered the 2008-2009 season with renewed ambition as the Bianconeri began the campaign with impressive consistency, remaining unbeaten in their opening fixtures and quickly establishing themselves among the league's forerunners. Juve also carried their impressive form in the European League, drawn in a challenging Champions League group alongside Real Madrid, Zenit St. Petersburg, and Bate Borisov. The Bianconeri quickly demonstrated their growing confidence by finishing the group stage unbeaten, but it was their performance against Real Madrid that truly announced Juve's return to Europe's elites. A hard-fought 2-1 win in Turin was followed by an unforgettable night at the Bernabéu, where Del Piero produced a masterclass of a performance, thus earning him a standing ovation from the Real Madrid fans. But their European journey came to an end after they were eliminated by Chelsea, but gave a tough fight despite being down to 10 men. As the season progressed, Juve's early momentum slowly began to fade as several points were dropped and Ranieri's constant belittling of the team's Scudetto chances started to disrupt the team's rhythm, thus allowing rivals Internazionale to pull away at the top of the table. And by the spring of 2009, Juve Scudetto's hopes had effectively slipped away. With only 2 matches remaining in the season, the club made the dramatic decision to dismiss Ranieri, thus appointing Ciro Ferreira as the caretaker manager. Under him, Juve secured victories in their final 2 matches, thus ensuring a second consecutive third-place finish and another qualification for the UEFA Champions League. The season also marked the beginning of physical troubles for Gianluigi Buffon, because during the campaign, the legendary goalkeeper began suffering persistent back problems caused by herniated disc and forced him to miss stretches of matches in the years ahead.